Indian troops during their continued state terrorism martyred 68 Kashmiris this year in a bid to break their resolve for securing their right to self-determination. 3 boys and as many as women are among the martyrs who were killed by the troops since January 2023 to August 2023. The Indian forces martyred the youth in several cordon and search operations across the region this year. The number of custodial killings were 13. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti's daughter Iltija Mufti has criticized Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha-led administration for making the lives of the people miserable by forcibly installing smart electricity meters in their houses. Iltija Mufti said Jammu and Kashmir is the only place which lives in darkness while the power supply is being exported to India. 3 school-going boys have gone missing in the Kupwara district. The boys went missing in Handwara area of the district since yesterday. The boys went missing while they were out for playing on the Monday afternoon. While raising the demand for imposition of 100% import duty on the foreign fruits, the Apple Farmers Federation held a day-long conference of Yaripura Tehsil in the district Kupwara with the slogans Save Apple, Save Kashmir. Communist Party of India Marxist leader Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami said that the claims of development in Jammu and Kashmir were mismatching on the ground. 4 persons died in a road accident on the Srinagar-Jammu highway. The incident took place after a truck hit by a boulder slide on the Srinagar-Jammu highway in Banihal area of the Ramban district on Tuesday. However, all 4 occupants were killed on the spot. The highway was blocked after the incident. All Parties Hurriyat Conference IIOJK chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has said that the G20 nations' quest to create a safer world is linked with the resolution of the long-running Kashmir dispute in line with the UN Security Council resolutions. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a letter to the G20 states head, said the G20 nations can play a significant role in forging a united stance supporting the cause of Kashmir. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik, has appealed to the world leaders who recently attended the G20 summit in New Delhi to play their due role in the resolution of the Kashmir dispute. Talking to a private news channel, she said Pakistan will continue to stand by the Kashmiris in their struggle for right to self-determination.